Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101 YouTube channel. So this video is the part 2 of the word-for-word breakdown of my previous vlog tutorial number 2. So if you missed the previous tutorials, I created a playlist. You can find the link at in the description box. Now, let's listen first to our conversation and then we will break it down afterwards.
Ilang kilo?
150.
150. Ang saging ni mo kuya.
Kani 60.
Kaning hilaw-hilaw lang.
Okay, hilaw-hilaw lang.
Okay, the first one, we have pila ang kilo. Pila ang kilo, or how much is 1 kilo? Pila is how much. Pila is, it could mean how much or how many. So, but in this case, I'm talking about the price. So, it means how much. Pila. And then, ang is a subject marker. Normally, it is the in the English language. Okay? And then, we know what is kilo. So, pila ang kilo. How much is 1 kilo? Okay, the next one, we have, how about the banana kuya? Or how about your banana kuya? So, ang saging ni mo kuya. Ang saging ni mo kuya. So, I'm actually pointing out, how about your banana? How much is it? Okay, so ang is the, saging is banana, and then nimo is your, okay? And then kuya is big brother, okay? So ang saging nimo kuya, how about your banana, or how about the banana? How much is it? Okay? And then the next one, we have kanang or kaning hilaw-hilaw lang, okay? I think I said kaning in our conversation, but I put in the subtitle kanang, okay? So I, either way, kani means this, kana means that, okay? So when I said, I think I said kaning hilaw-hilaw lang, okay? So kani means this, and then I have a nga linker, kani, and then plus the ng. So to connect kani to hilaw-hilaw lang, I have to add the nga linker. Okay? So I said kaning hilaw-hilaw lang. So it should be, it's actually a contract word of kani plus the nga linker. So kaning hilaw-hilaw. So what is hilaw-hilaw? Hilaw is unripe. Okay? And then when we say hilaw-hilaw, it is actually in between unripe and ripe. In the English translations like half-baked, underdone, if you encounter a repetition of words like hilaw-hilaw, in this case, it is in between. It's like half-baked. And then it can also mean frequency or repetition of the action. Like, for example, ambak-ambak. Ambak-ambak means jumping. Okay? Another example is imot-imot. You're doing some daydreaming. Imot-imot. Okay? Suroy-suroy. So suroy-suroy, suroy from the root word is to roam around. So when you say suroy-suroy, it means just roaming around. It's like it's showing frequency of the action. Okay? There is a repetition of the action. So those are the meaning of if you see repetition of words. All right? And then lang is just. Okay? Lang is just. Okay, so basically, kaning hilaw-hilaw lang. Just the not so ripe banana. So I'm pointing out, I want a banana that is in between unripe and ripe. That has a little bit of greenish color on the banana peel. So I want that kind of banana. Okay? And then, the kuya answered, kaning hilaw-hilaw lang. So he said, he's trying to confirm what I want. So he said, kaning hilaw-hilaw lang. The not so ripe banana. So let's play the conversation again, mga higala.
Ilang kilo?
150.
150. Ang saging ni mo kuya.
Kani 60.
Kaning hilaw-hilaw lang.
Okay, hilaw-hilaw lang.
Okay, mga higala, nakasabot mo? Did you guys understand our conversation? So I really hope you guys was able to catch up with our conversation. Higala, that's all for this video tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for all your support, for watching my videos. Yeah, let me know in the comments as well. What do you think about this tutorial? And do check out the playlist if you missed the previous video lessons. Amping mo kanunay, and kita-kita ta sunod. Bye!